guys ready for trivia?
YouTube video,
Are you ready for trivia? It don't matter.
I'm ready.
It don't matter. Don't leave me hanging. All right. I wanted to be on this team, but I got.
I told you should, Hefe.
Oh no.
Ask Ron. He'd be pissed if he wasn't on your team. He was expected to be.
Why'd you call me like a week
I'm
ago?
calling you out. Because we don't know day to day, Hefe. You know that.
I don't know day to day either, by the way.
Exactly.
Is this a winning team right here?
Tell him hi.
You guys look wicked smart, as we say in Boston. You look wicked smart. I see some smart guys there. Well, I want you guys to win because your tab is huge. You don't win, I don't know who's paying that tab.
What's the prize?
$50.
All right.
Hey, that'll help, right?
It's
$50 is $50. Yeah. All right, guys. Hey! You guys look like, you all look wicked smart, so I think you're gonna win. You look smart. I know you're smart. I know, yeah, he's all right. He's all right. What the?
Hey, what you doing?
Hey, Dave. Don't go that way. So, do you guys feel lucky tonight? You gonna win this? You got your card in? Did you put your card in? Oh, you got it. Yeah, nice. Yeah.
We need to be lucky. We're smart.
Yeah, I'm not gonna bet. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not betting on this team.
You should. You want to see our team name?
Not gonna bet. What is it? What's the team name? What is it?
Dirty Mike and the boys.
Dirty Mike?
And the boys.
Who's Dirty Mike?
I don't know.
Oh.
I'm not sure what he
Sounds like an 80s band. It does.
Especially you tables way out there. All right, I'm just going to go through the team names. We're running a little late, so apologize for going a little quick here. We just want to get underway so everybody can, so we can get through.
Good to see you.
I'm going to go through the team names, and then I'll go through a couple rules, and then we'll get started. I got, in front of me here, I got the Wenches.
Yo!
There they are. Next to them is Captain Ron and the Funky Bitches. Can we get a little something?
Ron,
Come on,
what?
come on. Where are you? Where's the Funky Bitches?
Ron, that's all you can.
All right, next to them, Tequila Mockingbird.
Oh yeah.
Over a returning champion, Southern and Fried.
Over here.
Beyond that, I got the Smithfield Porkers. There they are.
There they are.
I got B Wood. There they are.
He would.
Catching Wind.
Oh, I hope I'm not downwind.
I got R Trivia. Way
R
out
Trivia.
there. I see a
Way out
hand.
there, yeah.
Raise your hand. Let me know you hear me.
Way out there.
The Dingy Dongs. All right.
Dingy
I got the
dongs.
Faller
What?
Babes.
Faller Babes, where are they?
I got Mantamar.
Mantamar.
There he is. Michigan Bitches.
Oh.
Yeah, a lot of noise from the Michigan Bitches. I like that. From Dewey Beach, I got the Dewey Beach Drunks.
What?
I got
Where are they?
Shabooni.
Here. Shaboonies in the bleachers.
Down here, I got
Shabooni.
Grumpy Old Men.
Oh! I want to look at the grumpy old man. Show me a grumpy face. Eric. Woo!
And Tina and Amy.
This is the team you gotta watch because they're smart right here. You guys
All
are
right, guys, we're
smart.
going to get going. And here's the thing. I told most of you four-man teams. I think we're all set with that. We do ask, please, no phones. Don't have your phone out while I'm going through. If you're on the phone, it does make people think maybe you're cheating. So let's stay off the phones, at least in between rounds. There's going to be 3 rounds of 10 questions. First round is going to be worth 1 point. They're fairly easy questions. Then we step that up to a 2-point question.
Major storm hits trivia. Oh my God! Whoa! 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 People are running for their lives.
We'll take a pause. There's a lot of room up here.
Major
at the
storm
stage.
is
Can we get
trivia.
you back? Come on up. We'll hide the answers.
Yeah.
We'll continue up here.
Holy mackerel! Whoa! Major storm hits the trivia game.
Keep
People
the,
are running.
Keep the the little thing that has the number on it so they can find you for food.
Find your stuff. Your caddies. This is not going so well.
Scream till you warm.
Who forecasts a storm? The gift shop is still open, but Dean's coming. Here comes Dean. Dean, we got a major problem. We got a storm during trivia. What's your take on it?
I'm a farmer. I'm used to rain.
Yeah, you don't care?
I don't care.
All right,
Look.
good. Yeah, I don't care either. It's warm rain. Well, look at this. We got umbrellas down. Umbrellas are down, crashing, but I think we're gonna live. Kitchen's still trying to cook in the rain.
And they're waving at you through the window.
Yeah, they're waving at me. Anyway, sorry.